When it comes to Christmas, it's all gravy. I am going to show you how to turn the roasting juices from your turkey into some amazing gravy. Take your turkey cooking tray with all the lovely veg and flavour left inside and place it over a medium-high heat on the hob. Now, take some chestnut mushrooms and put them into the pan. Mushrooms are fantastic for gravy because not only do they give a lovely kind of earthy flavour, they give volume and body and texture. And then put your dried porcini mushrooms in. These have been soaked in water. And give it a good stir. Once the mushrooms are cooked, add the bay leaves and the thyme. And if you fancy it, splash a sherry. And then into that, add some runny honey, about 2 tablespoons. Now the honey gives a lovely sweetness, and some soy sauce. And the soy sauce does 2 things. It seasons it up with that salt content, but also it's got that beautiful, rich, dark colour. And then add 2 to 3 tablespoons of plain flour. Give it another stir, and you can feel it begin to thicken. And now we're going to add 500 millilitres of chicken stock. Bring it up to the boil and give it a good whisk. After a few minutes, the gravy's been bubbling away nicely up to the boil. I'm going to put a little bit of acidity into it by using some red wine vinegar and a splash of Worcester sauce. Have a little taste, and if it needs it, just a touch of seasoning. And then lastly, I like to pass my gravy through a fine sieve so it's super silky. Don't be scared or shy of squeezing all those vegetables out. That contains so much flavour. And then your gravy is ready to pour into the gravy jug, ready for the table. Get that on your Christmas dinner. And you can find more festive tips from me in store now at your local M&S.